Ako po si Queenie Garcia, 34 years old, isang call center agent. Super stressed po as a call center agent po kasi maraming calls na kailangan i-take at saka maraming mga customers na kailangan i-cater within a day. Pero okay naman po, kaya naman.
Paano niyo po nakilala si James Coffee Mix?
Actually, I met a coach before sa last company ko. So, she's actually taking it. So, nag-ask ako kung ano yun kasi I checked na medyo okay naman yung energy niya. So, pinatry niya sa akin once and then nagustuhan ko naman siya. So, I'm taking it until now for actually 1 year na. So, yun. Nakaka-boost naman siya ng immune system and wala na rin akong hika, ganun. Call center agent po kasi napaka-stressful po, lalo na pa nasa graveyard shift. So, yung immune system mo nagda-down. Aside from that, napaka-stress. So, nung tinitake ko na siya, yung immune system ko tumaas. And then, of course, yung stress na lessen din siya. So, I'm taking it every night as a graveyard shift employee. And then, aside from that, meron din akong business na tinitake like morning, minamanage ko siya. So, it really helps me to manage my business. And aside from that, yung work ko, to balance it.
Mare-recommend niyo rin po ba ito sa iba?
Yes, of course. I am recommending this not only for a call center agent, but for all the people. Kasi as I said, nakaka-boost ng immune system, which we're doing a lot of things already sa life. So, I really recommend it to take it every day. As a call center agent, nire-recommend ako na mag-take tayo ng James Coffee Mix for our good health. Ako po si Queenie, isang call center agent at si James Coffee Mix ang plus ko sa life.